Hey guys, it's Sarah at the Fit Cookie, and I wanted to show you this new cookie mix that I'm going to test out. I found it at Walmart the other day, and it's called Cooggies by Smart Snacks, and it is gluten-free and grain-free chocolate chip cookie mix. So we're going to give this a try. These are the ingredients, and I am going to make these with egg replacer and dairy-free butter. Overall, these cookies have great taste and texture, and you can't really tell that there's butternut squash in it. I did have to add a little bit more moisture to the mix, but they came together really well even without eggs.